where the Seminoles play. Bird Shack calls when hunger sways. $1 oysters, fresh and fine. Crack 'em open, taste the briny shine. Bird Shack Boogie, where the grill runs hot. FSU fans know it's the best spot. Danelle, Eli, and me came through with fish dip, fries, and ice cold brew. Grouper blackened, no bun in sight. Naked fries hit just right. Cool slaw crunch, onion rings on deck. Bird's nose flavor, what the heck? Grungy chant, a funky scene. Picnic tables, chill and lean. If she loves red meat, not fancy or shy, pass me her number, give it a try. Bird Shack Boogie, where the grill runs hot. FSU fans know it's the best spot. Danelle, Eli, and me came through with fish dip, fries, and ice cold brew. So if you're cruising through Tally, come grab a bite, where oysters and burgers make the night. Bird's Aphrodisiac, that's the name. Once you taste it, you'll never be the same.